What if I'm moving out of town and I just really need to sell quickly?
Well, I mean, that's not a problem for us. We can close, it's, 3 to 7 days, depends how quick. Some people say quick. They mean 3 days, they mean 7 days. Some people mean 30 days. But
Sure.
I'm extremely flexible on the timeline. After buying it, I'm going to buy it cash for cash. And really all that cash means, people hear cash. I'm not showing up with a suitcase of cash. All it really means is there's no financing contingency.
Right.
But I'm going to buy it as is. I'm not going to ask you to make any repairs, offer any inspections. There's no real estate fees. I am a licensed broker. There's no fees. You don't have to clean it out if you don't want. But quick's fine. I'm set up for it. We've been doing it a long time, and our finances are in place to move as soon as we have clear title from the title company. Yeah.